Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Lucky Line number 82901. This is a 9-inch brass-plated stainless steel base material, twisty keyring. Here we go, lights went out. And we're back. Twisty, this is what it is. I've got one removed from the packaging here. Twisty refers to the fact that this is not going to come apart. It's just pulling it apart would destroy it. It doesn't pull apart. Until you twist it, turn it into a figure 8, and that will allow the lock to come apart. That's all there is to it. The reference to 9-inch is certainly the length of the material. Now, Lucky Line will entertain orders for custom lengths, 9-inch. Just keep in mind, if you're considering that you need a specific diameter, let's just convert that to, what the circumference is so that we can express that properly to them. Putting it back together, just take the male end, insert it into the female end, and then hold that together and turn it again into a figure 8, and you'll be able to find how it locks. It's back locked in. Let me do it a little bit closer to the camera if you'll just watch the lock. Okay, it comes apart. Then put it back together if you just watch the lock. And then contort that back the other way. You'll get it locked in. That's it. Now you can take their 8800 crimping tool. If you want to make a permanent closure, you can get their crimping tool and crimp that down, and then it will never come apart again. What people love about these is they're so reliable, so safe, so secure. The bottom line is there's no way to get them apart without contorting it like that, and that's a very unnatural way for a key ring to move, so I wouldn't really too much worry about any sort of unintended problem. You got about a 3-inch overall diameter, something in that range. Going to be a little bit less if my high school math still works. Can be crimped for permanent closure. Strong, flexible, corrosion-resistant aircraft cable style ring. They say that this is on stainless steel. It's awfully magnetic. I'm wondering if the plating process is what's giving it away. Let's take a look at the full line catalog and see what they say about the base material. So there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page. That document, when you open it, will allow you to do a find function. Just Control F and type in 829, the first beginning of the part number. And then you'll be taken to the page where you'll find the twisty key rings. Indeed, the 82901 is under the brass-plated stainless steel twisty category. You can see that that part number pertains to the 9-inch. That it pertains to the same section where there's a 7-inch and a 5 3/4. So anyway, the reason that that's magnetic is, well, you know what? It's probably because stainless steel picks up some magnetism when it's machined or processed, and turning it into aircraft cable is probably where that's coming from. I don't know too much about metal properties and the engineering and science behind it, but I know that. So that's probably where that's coming from. Very high quality item. You're going to be able to do these in nylon coated. That would give you a color option, of course. Clear, black, blue, green, purple, red, brass plated. Then just the straight stainless steel. You can get a thinner, a slim stainless steel twisty. But I don't know what the diameter of the slim is. It's not listed. I'm going to give you an idea of what the diameter of this material is now. 0.1 inch thick, a tenth of an inch, 3/32, something in that range. And then that, if you've navigated to that part of the catalog, you'll be able to see the rest of the material. Very high quality item. It's not unusual for us to sell the crimping tool as well. Not that you would crimp all of these, but it is an option. Now, the rest of that catalog is going to take you on a tour of everything key management hardware related from Lucky Line. Their name is synonymous. They sell the broadest spectrum of key management hardware from anyone, whether it be a fairly uncommon keyring, not fairly uncommon, but this client happened to buy 100 of them, and it's going to a technology company. They would be using this for a variety of things. If you need permanent closure on like a bundle of documents, you could use this for that as well. Organization people use it. But the rest of the catalog will show you the traditional key rings, split style nickel plated key rings, the small tiny giveaway ones, all the way out to the large pull apart jailer style key rings. Lucky Line can do wrist coils with fobs, and they can do lanyards. They can do custom printing on many other products. They're going to help you with key tags that will be made of paper and plastic and brass and aluminum. And the list just goes on and on and on. Key cabinets as well. If you have any questions on the Lucky Line 82901 9-inch brass-plated stainless steel twisty style keyring or any other Lucky Line product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.